Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Profitec Pro 600 with us in the shop. And it came in because the steam boiler was was not warming up, or not wanting to warm up after the brew boiler was warming up. And so we went in there and realized that the relay to the steam boiler was needing to be replaced. After replacing it, it heats up right to normal. Now I do want to mention, we have it set to 260 degrees for the steam boiler. Now it does overshoot by about 2 to 3 degrees just to keep itself warm, and then it will cool itself off. Before, when it did heat up, the times it did, it would actually overshoot about 6 to 7 degrees, and then it would drop down. So replacing the relay, it actually fixed it, fixed that issue also, and so it only goes about 3 degrees, which is totally normal for the steam boiler to do that. And so yeah, now we're going to test the machine. Oh, also we did a complete overhaul. As you can see, a lot of the valves were just completely shaven or really damaged, and so after a while it was really hard to actually operate the machine. As you can see, it's more. And then we replaced the silicone gasket with a brand new one, and then we kept the IMS basket that was originally on the machine, just because it is nicer to have an IMS basket and we don't have any in the shop. So yeah, we're just going to test the functions. They didn't give us a portafilter with the machine, so we're just going to test water output throughout all the parts of the machine. So first we're going to start with the group head, which if you were to open up, because this one has flow control, of course you can control how much water comes out of the group head. Looking great. We did descale this machine and also back flushed it quite a bit. Steam one, if we open this up, we did do a deep clean on the steam one also. As you can see, running really well. And then when we close that, you're going to see the steam build right back up because that relay was swapped. And then we're going to get a milk pitcher and test the hot water through here. Now that's going to relieve a lot of the pressure that's in the steam boiler, so it's going to cool itself off quite a bit. As you can see, all that steam's now dropping all the way down to 0. But we are going to let it reheat again just so we can see it warm itself up once more. So now that it's about 0.4 bars, it's going to kick on the steam boiler once again after the brew boiler gets to 201. And now it should be warming itself up. As you can see, it's going up now. So yeah, no troubles with heating up the steam boiler anymore. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.